Hello everyone, today we are going to learn basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to bevel edge. So we have this example cube objects, and if you want to bevel the edge by selecting, you can right click and then choose the edge option. So we'll select the top edge here and press shift button again, so you can click in the bottom. So we select these two edge, and to bevel you can go to edit mesh menu, go to the bevel. So in here we have the fraction options as default to be set to 0,5, and you can increase or decrease like 0,1. The bevel will be automatically decreased, or you can set like 0,05, and this is 0,05. So that's it for a basic Autodesk Maya tutorial how to bevel edge.